Good morning, everyone. We miss you. All of us, we miss you. Welcome back to school. You all passed quarter 3, and now we are ready for quarter 4. This week, we will have simple tasks so we can all get used to learning online. Plan on checking this class this week on your B days. That would be April 7th and April 9th. You will need your notebook, your iPad, and your 2A binder. You also need something to write with. That's it. Make sure that you complete all the assignments in April 7 folder so you can get full grade for today. Very important. You need to post something here so I know you are here and you're checking. It's kind of a way for me to take attendance. You have a couple of choices. One, you can actually just write hi and you are ready to post and you're good. I'll just mark you present. You can also choose to add a video. I am going to add a video and a voice. And I'm going to start recording. Now, if my video in the corner is starting to look funny, it's because my camera now is being used for this. So ignore my picture in the corner. I just wanted you to see me today for a little bit. You start recording. Hi. And please make sure that your head and your hands are in the camera so we can see you. Done? Stop recording. It's uploading now. And it's uploading. Insert and post. You're done. I will check. I will see that you are here and I will mark you present. That's your first assignment. Now go to the next one.